Welcome back, students. Wie geht's dir? I think this question is in your mind because I am asking this question almost in my all the videos, and I hope that you know the meaning of this question, which means how are you, right? So before I'll begin with the video, I am extremely happy to see your response on my last video in which I asked you people to write down in the comment section below how many of you like to learn German and how many of you love to learn the subject. So even I am feeling very enthusiastic because of your response, and I am just giving you a promise that I will be providing much better material, and I will be providing the best videos in future also. I will try to help you out the best from my side being a teacher. So now let's begin with the video. You know that we have already started Lektion 2, which is Deutsch and Deutschland, and today we will be doing the first question of Arbeitsbuch. This question looks very easy, but it is not that easy. As you can see in the picture, we have to do match the following, and I have also written the translation of all the questions in English. So please have a look now. Woher kommst du, which means where do you belong from? You know this very well that this question is being asked from you all, and I taught this multiple times in my video that woher kommst du, where do you belong from. So first answer will be Ich komme aus Spanien, which means I belong to Spain. Spain, we call Spain in English, but in German language Spain will change into Spanien. So if you have to say woher kommst du, if somebody will ask this question woher kommst du, your answer will be Ich komme aus Indien, I belongs to India. Nummer 2, wo wohnt sie? Where does she live? Correct? Where does she live? It could be in Frankreich, which means in France. Again, I told you the meaning of the countries or the pronunciation of the countries will change language to language. France is a country, but when we will translate France into German language, France will become Frankreich. So Nummer 2 is Frankreich. Nummer 3, was lernen Sie, which means what do you learn? It's very easy. Ich lerne Deutsch, which means I learn German. Deutsch means German. German is a term in English, but Deutsch is the term in German language. Next, we get, again here you can see the same question which I am always asking in my videos. Wie geht's dir? Wie geht es Ihnen? Which means how are you? So answer will be schlecht. Schlecht means bad. I am not good, I am bad. Nummer 4, wie heißt which means what is his name? It will be Kai. His name is Kai. So that is Nummer 4. If I have to ask what is your name, I will ask wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? But if I have to ask name of a girl or a boy, so I will ask wie heißt Wie heißt means what is his name. Wie heißt sie means what is her name, because means he and sie means she. Next point, wo liegt Deutschland, which means where does Germany lies? Germany lies in Europe, in the middle of Europe. So answer is in Mitteleuropa. Das ist Nummer 6. Now Nummer 7, woher kommt sie, which means where does she belong from? So it could be aus Argentinien, which is Nummer 7, which means she belongs to Argentina. Argentina will be a term in English, but when we will translate Argentina in German, it will become Argentinian. Nummer 8, was lernt Herr Braun, which means what does Mr. Brown learn? Lernt Hindi, simple. Das ist Nummer 8, which means he learns Hindi. Nummer 9, wo liegt Maths, which means where does Maths lies, which it will be in Leipzig. Leipzig is in Germany, so and Maths is a place, so it lies in Germany. Leipzig. Nummer 9 und Nummer 10, was lernst du, which means what do you learn? Answer is Französisch.